For more than 20 years, WellCamp has been committed to creating faster, smarter, and more reliable modular living solutions. Today, after years of development, our new generation of expandable camp houses is finally here, compact during transport, powerful after unfolding, and designed for the world's most demanding environments. Each unit starts as a small, easy-to-move structure that expands within minutes. No cranes, no heavy machinery, just a few people and simple tools. Once opened, the interior transforms into a solid, insulated, and comfortable living space, supported by a reinforced steel frame, high-quality flooring, and 50mm EPS insulated walls that protect against heat, cold, wind, and rain. With adjustable footings and built-in wheels, leveling and relocation become effortless on almost any terrain. Every expandable house arrives as a complete kit. Doors, windows, seals, and basic essential fittings all pre-installed, allowing immediate use the moment it is unfolded. Whether used for emergency relief, temporary accommodation, project camps, or long-term field operations, the structure delivers a level of comfort far beyond traditional tents or improvised shelters. As global demands for fast deployment housing increase, WellCamp continues to lead the industry with innovative folding systems, optimized materials, and transportation-efficient designs. A single container can carry multiple units, cutting logistics costs dramatically, and enabling large-scale deployment in record time. From crisis response to remote construction, from government projects to humanitarian missions, WellCamp expandable houses provide safety, convenience, and long-lasting durability.